Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur and I am going to teach you English language in your 5th class. And today let's start with the first chapter of second term. The name of chapter is the noun gender. Gender category of noun we just read today. And the chapter number is 8. Please open your book, page number 34. So, here some definitions I write on the board that are about that genders. First one is Pramod is a tall boy. Underlined word is a boy. In second example, Seema is a nice girl. Underlined word is a girl. He holds a knife. Underlined word is a knife. And I love my parents. Underlined word is parents. So from these examples, what you note that underlined words are about or are related to gender. That boy is a male, girl female, knife lifeless object, parents both mother and father, both male and female is included in it. So let us go in detail about the genders. So chapter name noun gender. First, it is of 4 types. Genders are of 4 types. First one is masculine gender. Masculine gender. What is the meaning of masculine gender? Masculine gender means when we talk about the male person or a male animal, then it is under the category of masculine gender. Examples are written here for you on the flashcard and also on your book. For example, boy, man, dog. These are the examples of masculine gender. Clear masculine gender? Okay. And the next one, second category of gender is feminine gender. So, what is the meaning of feminine gender? It is all observed from the name only that it includes the female category. It includes females, both female animal, female person. Then that one is called feminine gender when we talk about female person and female animal. Examples, girl, woman, bitch, so on. Clear second one? Yes. And the third category of gender is, any guess from the students? Okay, I'll tell you. Neuter gender. Third one is neuter gender. What is the meaning of neuter? Neuter means in between the things, that the thing which is neutral, not of this side, not of that side. So neuter means those persons, objects, those objects, lifeless objects are come under the category of neuter gender. Lifeless objects. For example, knife, like here I am standing near the table, it is also a lifeless object. Duster, all these are lifeless objects. When we talk about lifeless objects, these are under the category of neuter gender. Example, knife, desk, chair, so on. And the fourth category of gender is common gender. Common gender include both male and female. When we talk about both male and female together, then we use the common gender. That words are come under the category of common gender. Means parents, like I talk about my parents, I love my parents. That parents means both mother and father. Clear? So these are called common gender. These are the 4 categories, 4 types of gender. Further, your next topic is formation of feminine nouns. How you form feminine from masculine? There are so many ways. 4 ways are there main. We just start reading. First one is by change of word. First one is by change of word. Total word is changed from masculine to feminine. For example, the basic word is girl, the basic word is boy, and when you change it into feminine, it becomes girl. Whole word is changed. Okay? For example, husband, wife, king, queen, total change of word. And second way to form the feminine is by adding es to the masculine. By adding ESS to the masculine gender. For example, the word is author and you add ES to it, it become authoress. Male author, female authoress. Clear? Okay. And the third way is by adding es after dropping a vowel. By adding es and also drop the vowel in the basic word, vowel in the masculine gender word. For example, here, actor, A-C-T-O-R, actor, and the O word is dropped, that O vowel is dropped, and instead of that E-double-S is added. So, actor become actress, actor male, female actress. Clear? Okay. And the last way is by changing a word before and after. By changing the first word, some words are the mixture of two words like grandfather, grandmother. Yeah. So here the first word is or the second word may be changed, or it totally changed the gender. For example, grandfather, grandmother. First word is same and we change the second word and automatically gender changed. So these are the formation, how to form a feminine gender. So this is all in your chapter. If you have anything not clear to you, please ask me in comments. Try to do the exercises for your practice so that the thing become more clear in your mind. Thank you very much.